Hello and welcome back to my channel, and today we're unboxing Fuddler, Harry Fudd's Sir Belch. Alright, let's get him out of the box here and check him out. I will say, out of all the Harry Fuddlers there is, this one and the one with the little mustache, I think it's called Old Tooth, that one and this one are probably my favorite out of the Harry Fudds. What about you guys? Let me know in the comments what you think about this little guy here. His little fuzzy tongue. It is a very short one. Some of them I've noticed, like, of this Fuddler here, Sir Belch. Some of them have longer tongues, some of them have shorter tongues. I like him though. He's adorable. And if you would like this video, share it, and if you're not subscribed, please subscribe, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.